Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. Today we'll be discussing about the Denmark fully funded Erasmus Mundus M3EP scholarships for the master's degree. Open to all international students. Will show the full process for this, how you can study in Europe, and your duration will be spread across multiple countries of the European Union. So Czech Republic, Denmark, Germany, Italy, and Poland will be the countries you'll be sharing your semesters. So we'll show full process for this. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this European Union Denmark fully funded scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. If you click on this video, you can check out about section of the video or description of the video. You can see link is given there. Likewise, any of the videos that you are watching right now, check out the description, links are given there. Once you click on the link, it will take to our website, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net on or cashmanlook.com, and you can see in the about section of the YouTube all the links are also there, and you can directly check out our websites fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And once you are on the website, you can read about this M3EP scholarship from the Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Degree Program. It's funded by European Union. There are two deadlines. For international students, it is January 15, 2026. For European students, it is 1st of March 2026. So you can apply for this opportunity within these deadlines. Here are some details. Host country will be Czech Republic, Denmark, Italy, Germany, Poland, and the program is Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Degree in European Environmental Economics. So there is 3E and policy. So M3EP. So degree level is Masters, Master of Science, and the financial coverage is fully funded. The program objectives are listed here. You can see first year. You'll be starting your studies at University of Copenhagen in Denmark. Second year, there will be options you have to choose from: the Heidelberg University in Germany, University of Milan, Italy, Charles University, Czech Republic, and University of Warsaw, Poland. So any of these you can choose for the second semester or second year. Then you'll be having two national degrees from two different universities under this program. See, financial benefits: tuition fee, monthly stipend, travel cost, visa and accommodation, and the insurance. Eligibility criteria: you should be having the English language proficiency, and the previous degree must be bachelor's. And the documents that you need to have in order to submit the application is the transcripts and diploma or degree certificate, your CV in the Europass format, English proficiency certificate, self-assessment form, and the course description form, letter of motivation, copy of passport and national ID, and proof of residence. So how do you apply for this? You have to prepare all documentation here, and application deadlines are listed here again. So in order to start application, you can scroll down and click on this, click here to apply. So click on this button. Once you click on that, you can see the official European Union Alliance M3EP Erasmus Mundus Joint Masters in European Environmental Economics and Policy. Admissions page is here, requirements and the application. When to apply, application deadlines, requirements, languages to apply. Every detail is given here. So you can scroll down, and now you can see ready to apply. Click here to submit your application. So click on this link in order to start the application form. So it will take you to this University of Copenhagen, Denmark. Welcome to the application portal page for the first time users. If you are new here, so you have to click on this login as self-registered user, or if you are new here, you have to click on set me up a user here. So you can click on this set me up a user here. So enter your first name, your last name, choose your citizenship here as per the passport, and make sure you don't make any mistakes here. Then enter your email, and then choose your passport copy here or any national ID you have, and click on this I do not have Danish social security number. And once you click on that, there will be one tab opening soon. So you can see now you don't have this, so you have to mention the date of birth here, then select the gender here, and date of birth must be as per this passport. So I have mentioned that. Then national ID, mention your country national ID, you have your passport number, address, and select the country of which you have the national ID or you hold the citizenship of, or your residence. Then select the postcode, select the postcode here, and then mention the city here and click on create account. Once you click on create account, you'll simply log in. I already have logged in, already have signed up previously, so I'll use the same details. Once you come back for the login, you have to click on this sign in as a self-registered user. So the email and password that we have created, so I'll be clicking on process. So once you click on the login, it will take you to the dashboard here, where we have some previous applications, or you can see some previous applications we had there. But for the first time users, you have to click on create application here. Now you can see institution name, so you have to choose the University of Copenhagen here. Type of education, you have to select the master's program here, or you can see change study change bachelor's, but you have to select a master's. Click on search. So all the listed programs are here. You can see M3EP program is listed here. Other joint masters Erasmus Mundus programs, if you wish to apply, you can go for them as well. But right now we are going for this one. Select here, select the subject you wish to. Once you select this, you can click on proceed to create application. So you can see we have created the application here, and now you have to click on proceed to create application again. So once you click on that, now you can see collection of transcripts. You have to select University of Trans. You can see if you have, so you can just click on this and click on save draft here if you have other transcripts from this, but we do not have, we are international students here, so we can click on next. We do not have to worry about this section. Then select the date of birth, then select the citizenship, then select the phone number, and then you must upload a passport copy here. So we must upload a passport copy here. So let's quickly upload the passport copy here, and you can click on upload. So you have to wait. You can see passport is uploaded, and now click on next. Then applied course, do you wish to apply for Erasmus Mundus scholarship? So you have to select yes here, and now you have to upload letter of motivation. Let's upload the letter of motivation here. So enter letter of motivation name here, and upload the letter of motivation. Click on upload. One by one you have to upload all the sections here, and please enter your first priority for the mobility track. You can see uh, enter your first priority. So we'll be going for this climate change or economics, whatever you wish to go for a second university. We'll be going for this University of Milan in Italy. Then the second mobility track will be going for the University of Warsaw, and now you can click on here next. After that, requirements and prerequisites of the university. So we'll be uploading our certificate here, the diploma certificate. So institution name, you have to mention that here, and then date of completion of the degree, you have to mention that here, and after that, let's mention the program we have completed, Bachelor's of Science, and now we'll be uploading our degree certificate here. So we have to upload all this. You can see fetching data. So upload documents and save. Click on yes. So we have uploaded one of the, if you have any other degrees to add, you can just submit that. Name of the university where you have obtained your qualification. So the bachelor's degree we have obtained from country. So mention the country where we have completed our bachelor's degree. And you can upload other details if you have. Then we'll upload the transcripts of the university. So we'll be choosing the file here. Compile them in a single format of PDF. If you have mark sheets of semester wise, you can do that as well. Then self-assessment form. So you can see self-assessment form can be found here. You can download this form. There's a format for this form. So here I'll show you self-assessment. So in this format, you have to save as an Excel sheet and upload the semester wise or subject wise marks. Let's see. It's opening. You can see the courses that you have completed and write the names of the subject, dates of completion, credits, ECTS, and total credits you have completed. So make this Excel sheet, save it, and then come back and upload the same Excel file here. So as we did here, we'll open this. Now you have to click on upload. So likewise, transcripts we have done, and we have done this. Now upload the course description of current and completed course. So we'll upload mark sheets here because there's a detailed uh, subject wise details that what courses we have completed in semester 1, semester 2 of all the 4 years of course. Enter your national grade point. So we have a CGPA of 4 out of 4. Then upload the Europass format CV. You can see Europass template here. I'll open this in the next tab. You can see you have to go to the Europass website. Someday we'll create separate video how to create a Europass CV. You can see on the YouTube there are a lot of videos regarding the Europass CV, how to create one, but they have given the website here so that it will be saving time for you. So we have created one CV. We'll be just uploading that CV here. Now click on upload. So that's done. Now the proof of English proficiency certificate from my previous institute, I'll just submit that here, that I have completed my bachelor's degree in English language. I'll just submit that. After country of residence, now you have to mention the country of residence. Then current country of residence, it's same, proof of upload of residence. So we'll be uploading the passport again here. If you have national ID, you can submit that as well. So passport is the best option to upload, and click on upload. So then we have completed this section here, requirements and prerequisites. Now click on next. So brief, some of the document need a short description, at least one document. Okay, we'll just submit that. Something has been missing. Let's see what's missing. Okay, CV has been missing. Open, click on upload. So we have to submit this, and let's see. Now CV is done, and let's see if anything missing again here. So okay, done. Now click on next. So now which form of communication would you had the program? So you can see we had through the Google website, or you can mention our website here. Please indicate if you are a student of special needs. No, we are not. Now click on next. So now we have to review the application here. You can see uh, anything that you wish to edit, delete, and like you need to re-upload, you can just cross-check all the information here. And once it's done, click on next. So once you're ready, you can see we'll be submitting Erasmus Mundus Joint Master's Program in European Environmental Economics and Policy at University of Copenhagen is ready to be submitted. Click on Submit Application. So you can see your application has been submitted. Confirmation has been sent to the email addresses. Please check spam filter. Okay. So we have also received an email. You can see the status of the application. Here you can see received. We have submitted one of the application here. You can view or cancel the application as well. And let me show you the Gmail here, where we have received the confirmation. You can see acknowledgement of received application to the Erasmus Mundus Masters in European Environmental Economics and Policy. Dear applicant, your unread message in online application portal is as well here. So this is the confirmation and acknowledgement. So the simple process is there. We have we have also applied for the scholarship, and that's how you apply for the European University Alliance. There's no application fee as well. It's absolutely free. There was no application fee involved. So that's how you submit the application form here. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have confusion, you can just write in the comment section, but just remember to subscribe before writing any comment, or follow us on Instagram page as well. Link is also given in the about section of Instagram, or in the story here. You can see all the links there. You can directly message our team, ask for the link, but before writing message, please do remember to follow, and do check out our website fullscholarships.net. All the updates are published there and verified before publishing. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. I'm signing off for today. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep sharing this video, like this video. Have a nice day ahead.